Hey guys, it's Jim with V-strom Garage. Today I'm working on a little electrical problem I found. My LED hand guards, every time I turn them on, it blows a fuse. So I'm going to start going through the wiring and see what the deal is. So I've checked all the wires in the fuse box right there, and can't find anything that's shorted out, or there's no continuity to ground on any of the wires. Started pulling the wires off on the front of the bike here. Check the harness, make sure there's no continuity to ground in the harness. Everything seemed to be good. So now I just connected the switch to the LED lights, and we'll go ahead and test those for continuity. Alright, so we've got our continuity set up. I got this hooked into the ground of the switch, and with the switch on, the buzzer sound will go off. I'll watch you do it. So with this switch off, it should stay like it is. But it's going off, so that means there is a ground in that switch. It's or the positive is grounding out is basically what it's doing. So it's kind of intermittent, because the lights would work for a little bit if I changed the fuse, but then it would eventually blow up. Now it's working. So that's a switch on, which should make a complete circuit, which that's why the buzzing stops. When you shut it off, then you'll hear the beeping noise again. But every now and then, as it's hooked up, there shouldn't be any continuity between those two in an off position. So I'm going to say this is a bad switch. I'll take it apart and see what I can find. So I got the switch off. So the switch is in the off position. I don't know if you can see that or not. So there should be no continuity. You see we got some. So this is switch on, switch off. So everything's good there. See, there shouldn't be any continuity at all. Switch on, switch off. So I'm going to say that switch is bad. It's good for a second. Alright, let's see if I got another switch. Alright, so I got a temporary switch hooked up here. This is actually the part of the switch that the LED handguards came with. So, well, like I said, it's just kind of ripped up right now. Let's see if it pops the fuse. Take they're on, off, on. Yeah, the fuse isn't popping, that's a good thing. Because before, as soon as you hit it, it would pop right away. Move it on for just a minute. I took the other switch apart, kind of looked at it, and then a couple little things. I may hook it up again and try it. We'll see what happens. Alright, so I got the old switch hooked back up to it. We'll took all this apart in there, and the little metal thing was loose, so kind of tighten that up. So we'll see if it works. We'll turn it on and see if we get it pop. Looks like it's working. The bad thing is, how long is it going to work for? Is it worth putting it all back together, or just get a new switch? Alright, so I ended up putting the old switch back on. So far, everything seems to be okay. Lights are working, no fuses are popping, so the only thing to do is to take it out, ride it for a while, and see what happens. If it starts popping the fuse again, we'll go ahead and just I'm going to go ahead and order another switch anyways, just to have one. And yeah, we'll replace it if we need to.